Right, Megan and Desmond each added the same amount of water to their aquariums. Megan mixed 5 milliliters of a chemical solution with every gallon of water to her aquarium. Desmond mixed 8 milliliters of chemical solution with every 2 gallons for his aquarium. What statement is true? All right. So I'm hearing something per something, or something mixed with every something. That is a clue that we have ratios. So, Megan, let's write Megan here, mixed 5 milliliters of chemical per every gallon of water. That means every 1 gallon of water. And Desmond, I'm just going to write Des, mixed 8 milliliters with every 2 gallons. Well, in order to compare these accurately, I need to get one of my numbers to be the same. So 5 and 8, there's no way I can multiply 5 to be 8 or divide 8 to be 5. So let's look at our other numbers, 1 and 2. Ooh, I can divide 2 by itself to get 1. So I'm going to divide this by 2 to get 1. And what I do to one side, just like on my equations, I have to do to the other side. So 8 divided by 2 gives me 4. So now I have Megan is 5 to 1, and Desmond is 4 to 1. So I'm going to look, and I notice that Megan has more chemical solution per gallon of water. So let's read our answers. A. Megan used more solution per gallon of water than Desmond because 5 to 1 is greater than 8 to 2. Okay, well, we reduced 8 to 2 to be 4 to 1, and we can compare it and see that 5 to 1 is greater than 4 to 1, also known as 8 to 2. So maybe. B. Megan used more solution per gallon of water than Desmond because 5 milliliters is greater than 2 milliliters. I don't even see 2 milliliters in this question. So that's a big clue, big red flag here, that 2 milliliters is not talked about. It's not even in my question, so therefore it cannot be part of my answer. C. Desmond used more solution per gallon of water than Megan because 8 milliliters is greater than 5 milliliters. Well, that doesn't make sense because just because 8 milliliters is greater than 5, it doesn't mean he used more solution. So that's not right. And then D. Desmond used more solution per gallon of water than Megan because 8 to 2 is greater than 5 to 1. Well, we reduced 8 to 2 to be 4 to 1 and saw that 5 to 1 is greater than 4 to 1. So that can't be it. So we're left with A as our answer.